Hey YouTube, this is the Silver Millionaire here to talk to you about platinum. Alright, let's start with the price. So here's a chart of the price going back to 1992. So very low prices. Then you had that huge spike up on the electricity problems in South Africa around 2007, 2008. And quickly the price, came down and hit that 800 mark. If you look at 800 across the board, that's been a huge line of support for the metal. So I look at that number going forward to be very important. So here's a picture of production. So about 73% of platinum is mined in South Africa. Zimbabwe's starting to become more of an important player in the platinum world, but they have a lot of political problems and whatnot. But if you look at palladium production, it's a much more equal split with Russia. But platinum is mostly South Africa. And so if we look at some of the uses of platinum, we look at autocatalysts being the major one. So with that going forward, everybody knows about the Volkswagen debacle going back a couple years ago. So diesel engines use a lot of platinum loadings, and gasoline engines use a lot of palladium loadings. So if you look at China going forward, they use the majority of palladium. So that's why you've seen it in such demand. The price is above the 50-day moving average. It's doing really well. So if you look at platinum, nobody wants it. Nobody needs it. So whether you're making 8 million ounces a year or 10 million ounces a year, it really doesn't matter going forward. So you need to be very careful in picking your price points. And that's why I like to tell people, take your time, pick your price points, and then, pounce on them when you get the chance. So as of right now, I got a hold on platinum. We're looking for a level 1 buy at 880. So today's price is 965. 52-week high is 1175. 52-week low is 889. So if you can pick it up right around 880, so you're in the low to mid nines with your premium, you are sitting well. So you're looking. So if you can see here, right here with the 200-day moving average, above it, below it, but right around 880, it's been hitting quite a few times, and then go up to hit the 200-day moving and trade off. So really keep that in mind when you're trying to find your buy points. So with that being said, what do you do when you do get the price point you're looking for? Do you buy the graded platinum? You're going to pay a lot more premium on that one. And I don't really see that much of a need for it. So I do like the Liberty American Platinum coin. I have the majority of that. But then there's so many choices. You got the Noble right here. And then you also have fractionals. So here's a quarter ounces and a tenth of an ounce. So you're paying so much premium over spot on these fractionals. It's really just not worth it. You're paying so much for it. You're eating up all your upside. So when you get your price, I recommend looking at the Liberties or the Canadian Maple Leaves. Both amazing pieces, and right around $60 to $100 over spot for premium. So with that being said, some of your sell points are going to be right up in that 1400. So that's going to be some major resistance in that 14 range. This is the 8-year chart of platinum going back. And then, with a long-term sell up in the 1670 range. you got to be real prudent when you're buying and selling these metals. The trends take a long period of time, so pick your buy points and buy smartly. Thank you.